Hi there, my name is Aston and welcome to this video in which I'll be sharing some little paintings that I made in online workshops taught by artist Erin Green here on YouTube, known as Children of the Craft. I definitely recommend Erin's channel, and she also offers online workshops where she does artist studies of a lot of mid-century concept art, Disney concept art. If you're into Ivan Earl or Mary Blair, I definitely recommend checking out Erin's channel, or if you're just into acrylic gouache in general. The one that you just saw was my attempt to recreate a Mary Blair concept art drawing for Peter Pan. This might look strange right now, but acrylic gouache is not reusable after it's dried, so if I have leftover acrylic gouache on my palette, I just put it into my sketchbook and make a big paintzilla with all the paint that's left on my palette. I'll go back to these things later on in my sketchbook, and sometimes they turn out to be like my favorite things, and it can be a really good sort of just way to generate ideas, is kind of making these little loose abstracts with leftover paint. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. I found Erin's channel when I was looking for information about Ivan Earl, a wonderful mid-century artist, and is responsible for the look and feel of Sleeping Beauty, which is my favorite Disney film, I think specifically for the art. So this is my, I won't call it a replication, but my attempt to learn how to paint like Ivan Earl. So I did this in a workshop, an online workshop offered by Erin, and I super recommend them. They're really reasonably priced, and she's an amazing teacher. You really learn a lot about gouache as a medium, about painting in general, and I have really enjoyed taking a couple of these workshops, and I feel like I get better every time, and I learn a lot every time. So check out Erin's channel. And I'm obsessed with Ivan Earl. He might be my favorite artist at the moment. And I'll keep doing artist studies. It's a really great way just to learn, even if they don't come out, how you would like them to. You learn so much just by doing. Here I am making my paintzilla. This is Ivan's concept art for Sleeping Beauty, and then next is my crude attempt. I do think the sky is particularly successful, though. And sadly, I didn't get this one start to finish. This is from another one of Erin's paint night workshops. And but I did get the end of this painting. And yeah, check out Erin's channel. She's an awesome teacher, and I love her YouTube channel. And yeah, check out some of these mid-century artists like Mary Blair and Ivan Earl. And thank you so much for watching. Here are some paintzillas. I'll see you in the next one.